Now lastly, to Taylor, thank you so much for making me the happiest man on the planet. I know my voice is quite monotoned, as you know, but you mean everything to me. You make me the happiest I've ever been in my entire life, and everything I do is for you. You are so special to me, and I just don't know what I would ever do without someone like you in my life.
And for Taylor and Austin, that story began back in 2017 with a friendship forged through the PlayStation. They found they had much in common, and by 2019, they both knew that their good friendship had turned into something more. So it wasn't until the summer of 2021 that our couple were finally able to meet in person for the first time. That first meeting was a little bit surreal for them both, since they knew each other so well, yet had only ever seen each other through a computer screen.
Or is that just...
When Austin planned a visit to see Taylor in February 2022, when he arrived in Edinburgh, Taylor could tell he wasn't really his usual self. But when he played it off by saying he was just tired, she had no idea that it was actually Austin's nervous anticipation making him act a wee bit oddly. With all the help that Anna had given, it was only fitting that it was when Austin and Taylor went to visit her that Austin chose his moment and got down on bended knee. He was so nervous that it was nearly impossible to get the words out. But no words were really needed, as Taylor immediately replied with an enthusiastic yes.
Looks.
You're okay.
I'm trying really hard not to.
You're very handsome.
Very, very gorgeous.
Were you crying beforehand?
I was getting close. I was really.
Might just have to wear the cushion. And look how easy the bride has made it. Get there, yay! Give a round of applause.
There we go. I, Austin Basson, accept you, Taylor Steele, in marriage to be my lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or poor, in sickness and in health, as long as we both shall live.
I, Taylor Steele, accept you, Austin Basson, in marriage to be my lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, from better for worse, from richer for poorer, from sickness and in health, as long as we both shall live.
Austin and Taylor, to declare that you are married and to pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss.
Austin came to visit in February of 2022, and before he came to visit, he showed me a picture of a ring through Facebook, and he said, "Do you think I should ask her?" And I immediately said, "Yes, of course you should." So after he had asked me, he was like, "Okay, I'm going to do it the next time I'm up." And I was like, "All right, okay, that's pretty quick for me." But I knew that she would just say yes the moment that I heard that he was going to ask that question. Now, Having to keep that secret from Taylor was the biggest thing that I've ever had to do in my life, because Taylor is a nosy bastard sometimes. She needs to know the arse of everything.